Hi, I'm going to show you how to load and run R on Tetralith using a local ThinLink client. For this course, Introduction to Running R, Julia and Matlab, and there are some exercises. I will first go through the exercises, the title that is, and then I go through them in detail. So exercise 1, start the R interpreter. Sure, we want to run R. Exercise 2, run an R script. Sure. Download and extract a tarball with exercises. Find and use installed R packages and search for other R versions. Sure, we can all do this. Let's start at exercise 1. Find the documentation of your HPC cluster. Alright, I'll put this in a separate window, so I'm going to move this one to the left there with this. This is where we are working on. And at the right, I make a new search window. And I'm going to look for Tetralith HPC documentation, something like this. Let's take a look if we can find it. Tetralith is systems. Is there something better? What's this? Well, let's start here. Tetralith, well, blob. This is her hardware. That's not very interesting. Tetralith getting started guide. That's, I think, is a good spot to start. I think we found it. Within the documentation of your HPC cluster, search for the documentation about R. Let's do it. So is there a search box somewhere? Maybe here? Yeah, there it is, R. Let's take a look. R, yeah, sure. Tetralith software modules. From the terminal, load the module for R of the recommended version shown below. So we need 4.2.2. I guess that's this thing. I'm gonna do this one. It has 4.2.2 in it. Yeah, let's go to Tetralith. There she is. Gonna start a terminal. Gonna paste this line and let's see what happens. Great. It seems like I have done it. Next. From the terminal, start the R interpreter. So that's not documented here at all. Maybe there's some more information about R. Let's make it a bit smaller, and then I can search for. Maybe I need to like get start for. Where is this search box? Well, there. Is there something more about R, Sigma, the scheduling of Sigma, general observations, no. It seems that more information about R is hard to find, so I'm not going to do this. Instead, we're going to accept that this page is all we have. But to start the R interpreter, it's commonly done. Here's the answer. You have to start it using a capital R. So let's do this on Tetralith. So here we have our terminal, R, enter, and bam, we have started R of the correct version. We did it. Next question. From the R interpreter, run the R code up to verify if this makes the R interpreter show the text hello. Sure, copy. Ctrl Shift V. Yeah, works as expected. From the R interpreter, run the code quit. Sure, let's do it, quit. Don't want to save, nope. Great, I've done this. Exercise 2, run an R script. To run an R script, we'll download one, after which we'll run it. From the terminal, run this. Okay, sure, Ctrl C, Ctrl Shift V, enter. Great, this worked. From the terminal, run this. Ctrl C, Ctrl Shift V. Bam! We have run an R script called hello.r. It does this, saying hello world. Well done. Exercise 3. Download and extract the tarball with exercises. See here how to do that. Okay, so I put this in a separate tab. Here it is. I go to that tab, and if I'm done, I close it and go on here. Use the tarball with exercises. Procedure, it has 2 steps. Step 1, get the tarball. Step 2, uncompress. In a terminal, do this. In a terminal, do that. Okay. So I'm going to copy paste these 2 lines and then I'm done. Copy. Back to Tetralith, Control paste. That worked. Now copy this line. And bam, we have all the exercises, all the files for the exercises needed. Great, so I can close this tab now because I've done it. And we can go to the next extra exercises. From the R interpreter, check which packages are installed using installed packages. Okay, there. So we need to start the R interpreter. You do that with R. I paste this is R code, and these are the packages I have available right now. Next, from the R interpreter, load the parallel package using library parallel. So copy, paste. Yeah, works. Exercise X2, search for other R versions. Use the module system to find which versions of R are provided by your cluster's module system. Okay, so we need to quit R for sure. And now we need to use the module system. Let's take a look if we can find something about the module system here. Site, module system. Module system, great. Module system, loading and unloading, load modules, module loaded build time, recommendations rather than default modules, examples. How do you search? How do you search? I know it's using modules, module spider. Here. May suggest looking for modules with module spider. Okay, let's do this. Module spider R. Module spider R. Let's see what happens. Great. These are the R versions I have at my disposal. And that means I have now done all these exercises. This means I'm done with this video about how to load and run R on the Tetralith HPC cluster for this course. I wish you a very good day. Bye!